Hello everybody, this is Brandon Reacts TV and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Wet Blanket Policy from 1948. So yeah, let's get into it. I love this opening. Okay. Oh wow, this is the first time I heard this song. Okay. Oh, that's good, this song. Low Life Insurance Company. Okay. Buzz Buzzard, insurance broker. Income taxes evaded, traffic tickets fixed, dice loaded, swindles, embezzlements, dirty deals. Man, all of that sounds so illegal, man. Wow, but yeah, it's like Buzz Buzzard. I wouldn't expect anything less from Buzz Buzzard. Oh, man. Man, the song is so good, man. There's Buzz Buzzard. Welcome, sucker. He doesn't even hide it, man. Open for business. Okay. Ah, there's Woody. Okay, Woody. That's cool. He's walking along to his own song. The Whistler. and then the name Low Life Insurance makes sense. Hey, look, there's Andy Panda and then the poster. That's cool. Slippo Grease. Oh, he's gonna lead him right into his business. Well, I mean, it's not really much of a business. Oh, man, why did you have to do that? Oh, man, look at it. Yeah, I mean, Woody's a little cuckoo even before being hit on the head, and now he's even more cuckoo. Oh, that was funny, man. Yeah, it's like he turned into a cuckoo clock. Oh, man. Oh, you didn't have to hit him on the head, come on.
One little accident might prove fatal. This one.
I mean, you caused the accident.
Is insurance.
No, I don't. Oh, he's like, yes. It's an actual blanket. Yeah, it did. Like, literally, it covered him completely.
Third is arsenic and old lace policy.
Oh, what? I don't like that.
Case of, shall we say, accidental death? Sign here.
Oh, no. Oh, come on with his no. No, he didn't even sign. Like, you signed for him. That's not, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not, that's not legal. Well, everything he's doing is not legal, so he doesn't care, but like, you can't sign for someone. That's, you forged their signature, basically. In case of accidental death of Woody Woodpecker, his beneficiary, Buzz Buzzard, will receive the sum of $10,000. Oh, wow. But Woody didn't actually sign it, though. It's like Buzz Buzzard basically forged his signature. Oh, man. Wow. This is not going to end well. I already know where this is going to go, man. Buzz Buzzard is going to try to kill Woody, man. He's going to try to get rid of him. Oh, no. You better get out of there, Woody. Get out of there. Get out of there. Right. Oh, no. Get out of there. Get out of there. You didn't even let him finish, man. Okay. There you go. That's what you get, Buzz Buzzard. Oh, he's right there, man. He's everywhere. It's Woody. That too. Oh. What happened to him? Oh, Woody. Okay, Woody saved himself, man. How did he do that? Wow, it's like piece by piece he landed, man. Wow. Okay, Woody. I thought he got him, man. I thought he got him there. Wow. Okay, Woody, now get out of there, man. It's like we want you to survive, Woody. Oh, he's in the filing cabinet. Okay. Wishbones, Woodpecker, woman. There he is. There's an actual Woodpecker in there. Oh, what is he doing? He's sharpening his beak? Oh, come on. Why are you using them as a pencil? There you go. Use a Woodpecker. Oh. Oh, okay, Woody. Okay. Yeah, I'm with you, Woody. That was so close, man. Oh, and then imagine if it would have gotten his feet. Oh, that was so close to getting his feet, man. Oh, man, I'm glad nothing happened to him, but you could see his boxers. Oh, Woody, man, get out of there. It's like, go to the cops, Woody. I mean, it's like, oh, man. Oh, there you go. He just zipped it back up. It's like a suit. All right, get out of there, man. Oh, someone's on the phone. He's answering it. Okay. Who is it? What is he doing? He's putting it. Okay, Woody. Like, yeah, it's Woody tricked you. Oh wow, how did he go through there, man? Oh no, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Man, so yeah, so he went, they're in the wallpaper right now. Wow. Oh, they're behind the wallpaper. Oh, Woody's fighting back. Okay, you need to get out of this place, Woody. So it's not safe for you at all. Okay. Okay, I love how they're behind the wallpaper. Ah, there you go. They both did the same thing. So they both had the same idea. Oh wow, they're in the painting now. That's cool. Oh, there you go. That's awesome, man. Oh, they're gonna go in that painting now. That should be interesting. But I love how they went in the paintings. That was real cool, man, for sure. Hey, there you go. Okay, there's Buzz Buzzard. Get out of there. Ah, they're gonna go through the window. Okay. Oh! Hey, you got him, Woody. Oh! There you go. You got a bump on your head. It's like, you're mad. Woody's the one that should be mad. You're trying to get rid of him. Oh, he's just going in circles. Close the door on him. Oh, no. I love how Woody was just watching him. Like, he was just going in circles on his own, and Woody was just watching him. Wow. Ah, now Buzz is there. Oh. Ah, Woody. No, he got you. Oh, no. What is that? I don't like... Oh, yeah, I don't like that at all. Oh, man. Why would he have that installed, man? I mean... Wow, it's like Buzz Buzzard, man. He honestly, he should be in jail, man. Like, I mean, oh man, this is not good. It's like, first of all, like he's attempting to murder someone. I mean, he should be in jail just for that alone. But I mean, and then his business is shady, very shady. It's like,
Now you're gonna get what's coming to you.
oh.
What's coming to me.
Oh no. Yeah, Woody. No, don't fall in there. No. Oh no. Push Buzz Buzzard in there. Oh no. Woody, there you go, Woody. How are you still jumping on there? There you go. You deserve that. Now close it on him. There you go. No, you shouldn't have let him go. But there you go. You deserve that. What the luggage? Hey, $10,000 policy. Rip it up. There you go, Woody. Wow. Okay. No, that was a good one, man. Really, really good one. For sure. No, I did enjoy this one. A very good Woody Woodpecker cartoon for sure. Yeah, I mean, and Buzz Buzzard, man, he's a shady businessman, but he's a cool character though. He's funny, but yeah, it's like I'm glad that Woody was safe in the end, and then it was Buzz Buzzard that got what he deserved. He got his karma. He deserved all of that, but Yeah, no complaints at all. This was a good one for sure. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.